In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your TradingView account in 2025. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting back on track after a break, these steps will help you smoothly regain access to your TradingView account. Follow along for a hassle-free experience. Let's begin by navigating to TradingView's website. Simply open your favorite browser and enter tradingview.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice the platform's welcoming interface, showcasing its robust tools and market insights that many traders find indispensable. On the homepage, you'll want to look for the Get Started option. Clicking this will guide you toward the Login and Account Management area. It's perfect for both new users and those looking to access their accounts. If TradingView is new to you, this area also offers a straightforward path to sign up anew, exploring their various service tiers. Next, you'll be presented with the option to sign up. However, since you're looking to reactivate an existing account, you should continue on to the Sign In link instead. This is where you can reconnect with your previous account and regain all your personalized settings and saved data. Once you're on the Sign In page, select the Email option. TradingView allows login through various methods, but using your email is often the most straightforward. Enter your email address or your username linked to your account. If you're having difficulty remembering your credentials, don't worry. There's a helpful link just for that. If you've forgotten your password or can't sign in, click on the I Forgot Password or Can't Sign In link. This will initiate a simple recovery process. TradingView will guide you through steps to reset your password, typically by sending you an email with recovery instructions. Be sure to check your inbox and spam folders for this message to avoid any delays. If the automated process isn't resolving your issue, you can click on Find Your Account. This feature can help locate your details, especially if you've changed emails or usernames since your last login. Should you encounter any further issues, or if you're still unable to access your account, don't hesitate to reach out to TradingView support. Navigate to the support section of the website and click on Chat Assistant. This useful tool connects you to TradingView's support team, who are ready to assist with any account-specific problems you might have. By following these steps, you'll efficiently reactivate your TradingView account and be back in the world of trading without unnecessary stress. Remember, the TradingView support team is always there to help should you need further assistance.